Hi, welcome to Pharma Portal. Today we are exploring ChatGPT-5, the newest AI and how it's changing the way regulatory affairs teams work. It's powerful and exciting, and once you see what it can do, you might never think about your work the same way again. But first, a quick caution. What I'm sharing is based on public information, AI experiments, and my own experience. It's not an official advice. AI can save hours, improve accuracy, and even predict what you might need next. But it can also make mistakes very fast if not checked. So think of AI as your smartest helper, a quick, capable, but always needing your direction. So, ready to see how far it can take us? In this video, we will see 50 practical ChatGPT 5 hacks grouped into 10 important categories. From keeping track of global regulations to automating submissions, from preparing training materials to improving communications with authorities, we will cover it all. Many of these prompts are already being tested in companies, while some are still in exploration stage. We have divided the applications into 10 categories, but by the end, you will see how ChatGPT 5 can fit into almost every step of the regulatory workflow. So now let us explore where it can give us speed and where we must still slow down and double check. So what is ChatGPT 5? ChatGPT 5 is an AI model and it was released on 7th August 2025. It is OpenAI's most advanced AI yet. It handles text, images, and audio, giving faster and more accurate results. Pharma is excited because it's perfect for compliance heavy work like regulatory affairs, clinical research, and safety monitoring. It can read huge documents, summarize guidelines, and adapt them for different authorities. That's why the buzz. Fewer errors, better handling of complex instructions, and almost expert level output. And ChatGPT, it is not alone. There are other tools like Claude 3, Gemini, Llama 3, Mistral, and MedPalm are also making waves. Pharma giants are already using these to speed submissions, track global rules, and strengthen compliance. So ChatGPT is free, but for advanced features, you need Plus or Pro. Now let us see how ChatGPT 5 can help us in regulatory intelligence. Imagine reading a 100-page EMA guideline in minutes. GPT-5 can summarize complex regulatory documents from EMA, US FDA, MHRA, or CDSCO into plain language. No jargon, just the core message. It can compare old and new regulations and highlight the changes instantly. You can monitor global updates in real time, create monthly regulatory newsletters, and even submission timelines across countries. But here's the thing, regulations are sensitive. If AI misses a small point, the impact can be very big. That's why AI should be in your radar, not your autopilot. Now let us see what ChatGPT can do in dossier preparation. Preparing a CTD dossier is repetitive and time consuming, but GPT-5 can draft Module 2 summaries directly from your CMC data. It checks eCTD formatting rules for each region, creates ready-to-use Module 1 templates, and even autofills repeated data across multiple sections. It can also guide you on how to split and organize documents for better review. Think of it like more like a smart assistant who knows the rules of every market. Still remember one thing, one wrong format or missing section can delay the approval. AI can help you prepare, but final validation must be yours. Now let us see how ChatGPT is used in labeling domain. Product labels are not just words, they are legal commitments. ChatGPT 5 can compare labels between markets, draft SMPC or package inserts from your trial data, and check for mandatory warning. It can translate complex terms into patient-friendly language and even design QRD compliant templates for EMA. This means fewer hours for formatting and more time ensuring accuracy. But remember, a single wrong word on a label can mean a recall. Now let us see how ChatGPT is used for clinical trial regulatory support. For clinical trials, GPT-5 can autofill CTA forms for different countries, write layman summaries of trial protocols for ethics committees, and check if your submission package has all the required documents. It can also list the import license rules for various regions and prepare clinical trial registry posting in the correct format. This can speed up the trial approvals and reduce back and forth discussions. If AI misses one required attachment, your approval could be delayed by months. So use AI for speed, but confirm every detail before submission. In CMC and quality documentation, GPT-5 can turn raw stability data into structured reports, suggest ICH compliant stability protocols, and check manufacturing description for compliance. It can prepare control strategy tables and create before and after comparison tables for post-approval changes. This can make your documentation faster and more consistent. But remember, AI cannot see the real manufacturing floor. It only works with the data you give it. If the data is wrong, the output will be wrong too. Safety reports are data heavy. GPT-5 can summarize PSUR or PBRA data, prepare DSUR updates from SAE reports, and detect trends in adverse event narrative. It can even format RMPs as per EMA templates and translate safety documents into multiple languages while keeping technical terms accurate. This can cut days of manual work. But remember, patient safety is not an area for shortcuts. AI can help you spot the patterns, but it cannot replace your medical and regulatory judgment. Now let us see how ChatGPT can help in communication with authorities. Every interaction with health authorities matters. GPT-5 can draft detailed responses to their queries, prepare briefing books for meetings, and create question and answers databases from past discussions. It can also summarize inspection findings and suggest strategies for negotiating conditional approvals. This can make your team's communication sharper and faster. But remember, AI cannot sense the tone or political nuances. In negotiations, human understanding is still your strongest tool. ChatGPT can help in post-approval lifecycle management in various steps. Post-approval doesn't mean the work is over. GPT-5 can prepare variation checklists, auto-generate renewals, compare country-specific renewal requirements, and even suggest rollout strategies for global submission. It can also track expiry and renewal dates within interactive dashboards. This means fewer surprises and missed deadlines. But even here, regulatory changes can happen overnight, so your AI tools must be kept updated. Training a new RA team members can take weeks. GPT-5 can build onboarding modules, summarize complex guidelines into simple terms, create quizzes for SOP training, and maintain searchable knowledge bases. It can even turn SOPs into quick reference cards. This keeps your team informed and ready. But remember, knowledge management is not just about storing information. It is about keeping it accurate and current. That's where your role becomes vital. ChatGPT in process automation and efficiency provides very good results. Imagine extracting key data from PDFs and directly filling regulatory templates or setting up small alerts for query deadlines. GPT-5 can standardize document names, prepare meeting minutes from recordings, and create dashboards to track submission status. This is the kind of automation that saves hours every week. But automation without oversight can multiply errors quickly. Always have checkpoints in place. So what do we get with GPT-5 in regulatory affairs? Faster processes, reduced errors, better global compliance, and a living knowledge base for your organization. But the best results come when you blend AI speed with human wisdom. Start small, assess your workflows, try quick win applications like regulatory monitoring, create your own prompts and templates, and train your team how to work with AI. Move step by step, focusing on high impact areas first. So thanks for joining this video. AI is rewriting how regulatory work is done, but the pen is still in your hands. So use it wisely, review every output, and keep your professional judgment at the center.
And that's the end of today's video. Hope you liked it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Pharma Portal for more simple and honest health content. If you have any questions or thoughts, just drop them in the comments. We're here to help. And if you know someone who might need this video, do share it with them. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you in the next video.